So Radha and Krishna, they sleep on a flower bed, and have pillows. The pillow under the head, pillow. So pillow. So the pillow, it's silk. It's some nice, very soft. Inside is all kinds of fresh flowers. If the flower bed is made of roses, then the pillow is made. What's inside the pillow? What kind of flowers?
Rosebuds.
Mogra.
Rosebuds.
No. The bed is made of roses, not buds.
And inside the pillow, rosebuds, no? Leaves?
No, different kind of flower.
Needles. Different.
Needle, yeah. Well, from up there, pine needles. Smells nice. Nice smell. Little, because they have pine trees up, in his country, cold, So pine needles, that's okay. That smells nice, but that may be underneath the other pillow. Because you just keep that on the side for smell, But the pillow has mogra flowers. Mogra is this white one, this nice, really nice white one. It's called jasmine. We say jasmine, mogra. So the pillow is mogra flowers. And the manjaris they change it all the time. Oh, today the bed is kadamba flowers, kadamba flowers, and then there's a nice sheet on top of the bed. And fresh, soft kadamba flowers, like 1 foot thick or 2 foot thick. 2 foot thick. No, I don't know feet, but your centimeters. This thick of kadamba flowers, that yellow round one, And then some sheet is over it. Okay, it'd be nice. We'll have one of those right about now. And a nice fan or AC or something. So we say, okay, flower bed. So what does Rupa Goswami say in Sanskrit? Kusuma shayani, kusuma shayani, ujvala ruchim. Kusum, he says, kusum shayaniya, kusum shayaniya, ujvala ruchim. 4 Sanskrit words, and we say flower bed. Kusum shayaniya. So shayan means shayan like shayanartik. Shayan means nighttime, sleepy. So shayan means bed, and ujvala means radiant, effulgent, transcendental. Then ruchi means very beautiful, effulgent. Kusum means fragrant flowers, a very beautiful, effulgent. Because it's not shayani, it's shayaniya, means very effulgent, beautiful, and special bed made of very fragrant flowers. This is what this Sanskrit means.